Hi there, my name is Rosanna White, and I am the owner of Eye for Marketing, Illustrating Your Brand. So in this video today, I'm going to talk to you about Facebook settings, how to adjust your follow settings for the pages that you like and that you want to see showing up on your timeline so that you don't miss certain things that you're interested in. Okay, so here we are. You're heading over to your favorite page. Let's just use Eye for Marketing, for example. So you're heading over here and you're going to take a look. And right here where these little buttons are, it says follow settings. Right over here, follow settings. You've got newsfeed, favorites, default, snooze, and off. So you're going to head over to your favorites and you're going to click favorites. And then you're going to click update. So what that's going to do for you now is that anytime Eye for Marketing does a post, you're going to see that up on your news feed. You can do this for any of the pages that you are following. So there you go. Pretty simple. Just hit the three dots, your follow button settings, and now you can see posts from the pages you want. So head over to many of the pages that you like. Choose Eye for Marketing as one of your favorites, hopefully, and then that way you can start seeing some of the things that you want to see in your newsfeed. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a little comment and a like. Thank you so much, and I'll look forward to sharing our next video with you. Again, my name is Rosanna White from Eye for Marketing, Illustrating Your Brand.